Fifthly.
Oh, that's right.
TV. Okay. What's up? I'm Faith.
I'm Riley.
I have no name.
And this week we're doing something outside because we're stupid once again.
Yeah.
Just 2 people in each, and whoever loses the challenge, the winner gets to dump a water balloon on their head.
Blah!
1, 2, go.
No! I wanted to do this.
Oh my! Isis wins!
Gonna get in the pool! Kicks it in the pool. Ah, crap.
Did it go in the pool?
You suck. Cody won.
Ah! Okay. Really? Can you see? Wait, tell me if it's in good view. Yeah, okay, go. How do you feel? Set, go.
Hurry.
You have to swallow it.
Oh, that's really. You would have
1,
that.
2.
Win it.
Well, this is my second.
Yeah, swallow it first. Come on. You're not an American.
Come on.
Which is actually a good thing.
2. Time.
Hurry. I
You
got.
got 2. You
You
win.
did not get 3.
You didn't swallow it.
Hi. About ready.
Yeah, that.
That one failed. Okay.
Hey, no, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Because it'll shoot the thing at her. Okay, that's good.
Set the camera now.
Okay. Transition.
Back where it was, Brady. Timer ready? It's only 15 seconds. Okay.
Go.
Go. Who can name the 3rd president of the U.S.?
Zachary Taylor.
But you can still guess.
George Washington.
No.
I don't. Wait. Oh.
Adam Levine.
No.
That Taylor Swift.
Abraham Lincoln.
Done.
Thomas Jefferson.
Oh!
Or else it's gonna get wet.
Ready?
Back up quite a bit.
No, you can't do that.
Slide. I'll make more. You still did get her wet.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, now you go, Riley. Ready? Set, go.
That's not jumping.
Ha
Transition it.
Guys,
Yeah.
that's a piece of crap. The next challenge is with Riley and Isis. So the challenge is you have to tell us a real word that's in English, and that's not made up. That starts with the letter A in 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Whoever names the most words that start with the letter A.
Oh.
All right, ready?
No.
In
Set.
modern English.
Go.
Animal, apple, alphabet, antibiotic, acrobat, anime,
A.
Andy.
No names.
What?
Anton.
5 seconds.
Cheetah.
I'm
No
not
help.
even.
He's not saying anything. I
I'm
swear.
not saying anything.
Okay.
I'm just moving.
Okay, time's up. I see that too.
I hit 4.
Okay,
9.
Riley,
9.
Learn
go
to
up there.
count.
Riley, take a balloon and go
What
up
were your
there.
2 words?
Is the 7th all
Okay,
between all of us?
who can run down and back the fastest? There isn't a time limit. So
And I say set. I say gopher. Gopher.
Something you did not do.
Anyone.
You didn't touch the fence anyway.
Yeah, you didn't even touch the fence. Brady wins.
okay.
Oh! That's cold.
And that is how you throw a water balloon.
Cold.
Challenge. The winner gets to throw up balloons at all 3 who lose. You have to call one person and get them to say, I like tacos, so we can all hear. Okay? Ready, set, go. Stop texting me, Riley.
Who's 641-891-6456?
Who cares?
30. What's the point of this challenge if it's not time?
Come on, answer.
It's just all dumb.
My call.
I know.
Wait. I'm calling.
Ooh, no. Ooh, child. You're FaceTiming.
This counts. It counts because he doesn't have a.
Say,
Jared.
hold on.
Don't do it! Who is it?
Put it on speaker.
Say, I like tacos.
Who is it?
I win.
It's Haley.
Oh, God. Haley, you butt face!
We're recording. Yeah, but I
Yeah.
don't.
Oh. Okay, so we'll see you next time. I'm Faith.
I'm Riley.
And I remain to be unnamed.
Hi, Brady. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.